Look at these following pictures that depict environmental problems. Activity 1. What makes this environment unhealthy? Number 1. List all the environmental issues you see in the picture above. Write down some solutions to unhealthy environmental conditions that you see in the picture. And who do you think is responsible for these issues? Turn your solutions into an action plan to clean up the environment. Where would you start? How could you make things safer? And how would you educate the community on the dangers of an unhealthy environment? Here is that picture again. Earth Day and the preservation of the environment. Earth Day is an annual event created to celebrate Earth and raise public awareness about pollution. Earth Day is celebrated worldwide on the 22nd of April with rallies, conferences, outdoor activities, and service projects. The Environmental Protection Agency fights for legislation to protect our environment, such as the Clean Air Act, the Water Quality Improvement Act, and the Endangered Species Act, and several other environmental laws. The first Earth Day was in 1970. Senator Gaylord Nelson, after seeing the damage done by a 1969 massive oil spill in Santa Barbara, California, was inspired to organize a national day that focused on educating the public about the environment. Nelson recruited some political activists, and with a staff of 85, they were able to rally 20 million people across the United States on April 20th, 1970. Universities held protests, and people gathered in public areas to talk about the environment and find ways to protect the planet. We can all contribute to Earth Day celebrations and be kinder to our Earth. This can be done at school, at home, at work, and in the community in which you live. Here are a few suggestions of things we can do to care for our Earth. Organize a community cleanup. Collect rubbish in your area. Plant indigenous trees or shrubs and plants. Clean out the storm water drains in your street. And get your local municipality to fix any leaking pipes in taps in your area. At home, you can do the following things. Save electricity by switching off geysers during the day, or installing timers on geysers and turning off plugs at the wall when appliances are not being used. Save water by showering instead of bathing. Do not leave water running while brushing your teeth, and use your bath water to water the garden. Grow your own vegetables and fruit. Have a water tank to catch rainwater to use in the garden. You reuse shopping bags or use long-lasting cloth or material bags. Do the following things at school. Take lunch to school in a lunchbox in place of plastic wrap or bags. Get your school to start a recycling project. This could also bring in money. Set up a litter awareness campaign and start a vegetable garden at school. Activity 2. Ways of being kinder to Earth. Number 1. Create an Earth Day poster that will encourage either your community or peers to be kinder to the Earth. You may use one of the suggestions from the previous pages or think of your own idea. Your poster must be bright and bold and eye-catching. You should name the suggestions and give ideas on how they could be implemented, and convey the message in a simple but strong manner. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.